As you can see, I've played this game before. I'll do the race car thing with you guys. Let me start this, and we are literally going around, and we're going to, like, just do stuff. We gotta find the race car part. We're gonna build the race car. It's gonna be what we're gonna do today. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun time. Okay. Okay, let's go here. I don't know much about this because I can't remember the video because it was like 4 days ago that I watched. I haven't done any Wobbly since then. Oh, wait, it's not this house. It's the other one. No, we need to get this thing. Here's the mansion. Uh-oh. Okay, this is gonna be nice. So the guy's right here. Let's talk to him. Yep, I've only found the steering wheel. So, we gotta look at all the racing places. I'm gonna go down here for the video. Okay, we're there. Let's look. It was by one of these barrels. Okay. Okay, it's by one of these. One of these barrels is gonna be the one that we find it at. I'm gonna go around here. And is it here? Nope. Is it here? Nope. Is it here? No, I don't see it. I don't see it. Let's find this car piece. This is gonna be hard. So we're gonna go over here. Uh-oh. Okay, we're fine. Let's look here. Gonna go around here. Okay. Not here. We need to find a place. Uh-oh. Wait, what is that? Oh, it's just a person. There's someone around here. Oh no, I don't see it. No idea where this thing is at. All I know is that it was in between some barrels. Oh, there's the rocket car. So we're gonna go in here. Now we're coming over here. Let's go. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, it must be over here. Let's go. Oh, is it here? No, it's not. No, where could it be? It's gotta be somewhere around here. It's gotta be somewhere. Okay, guys, I might just Google the entire spots. Guys, I just found out where we need to go. We need to go towards some boxes. Boxes were, I think, over here. Are these the boxes I need? Yes, they are! Okay, there's one of the pieces. This is gonna be hard to transport. He's lifting me up, right? Am I even getting lifted up? Okay, this is how we're gonna get up. Okay, we're up. Now we're just gonna go all the way to there. Let's go. This is gonna be hard. This is gonna be a little hard to get them all, but We'll be fine because we know what we're doing. It's gonna be this one, I think. Okay. That wasn't a very efficient way to get there, but oh, look. There we go. Now let's find the next piece. I'm gonna watch the video again. Okay, I know where the next house is, guys. It's gonna be behind a blue house. I mean, not the next piece. You know what I was saying, guys. You know what I was saying. Can't remember what color it is anymore. Oh, I see it. And there's the second piece. But it would be like third since, well, I got one off camera. Okay, we're getting it there. Oh no, this is gonna be a pain. Oh no. This is scary because, oh no, I don't want to lose it. But I think we've made it. Wait. Oh! Okay, we're back up and let's bring it here. Okay, we did it. Now we're gonna do the next one. He said right at the heart of downtown, so I'm gonna look down here. It's here. Okay, I think it's gonna be somewhere around here. It's in like an orange building. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Is it here? No. Here? Here? Where could it be? Gotta be somewhere around here. You sit at the heart of the downtown and these are orange buildings. Is it here? No. Where could it be? Okay, I'm gonna check over here. Where could it be? Is that it? It's gonna be at one of these orange houses, I think. Just gotta look at the orange houses until you see it. No, maybe it's in the garbage. No, it's not. Maybe it'll be somewhere around there. No. It even has the thing. I think this is it. And it's it! Okay. This is one of the pieces. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm barely holding on to this thing. Okay, let's see. Oh no! Oh, I managed to make it up. I think we're gonna make it. It's the last piece. Oh. Is that it? We got the race car, guys! Oh my gosh, let's drive this thing. Okay, let's see. Okay, and here it is. Oh my gosh, we're driving a race car. Oh my gosh, it's so fast. This is definitely gonna be the car I use all the time. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking fast. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, it's so fast. Oh my gosh, this is definitely gonna be the car I use. Let's drive. I'm driving around. Oh no, we're going off into the ocean. We gotta make it. Oh no. We can't die here. Well, I guess we're dead, guys. Yeah, I can do this. And we can go. Oh, sorry. Oh, I stop. Oh, I guess. Well, we always can pick it back up with a UFO. Okay, yeah, we're going down. Let's go. Oh, ah! Well, I tried to grab him. But I guess I didn't want to do that. I'll do this one. No. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go get our car back. Let's see, where is our car? What? Where is it on the map? Let's look for it because I thought we had a car, didn't we? I want to suck it up like this. Where did it go? Well, we can always spawn a new car. And we're gonna spawn this car. Okay. And we're going real fast. Tokyo drift. Okay. Tokyo drift again. Uh-oh. Oh, drift again. Okay, we're drifting. Drifting again. Drifting again. Again. Okay. Uh-oh. We're driving, we're drifting and stuff. Oh no. My car. Oh, it's gonna break. We're crashing into stuff. Okay. Now let's ramp up this. Oh my gosh. We're flying. We're flying. Oh my gosh. Oh. Well. Let's go. And if you guys watched up till this point, then make sure to like and subscribe because I really need it. And, well, you also need to, well, just like and subscribe, and this is going to be the end of it, and bye.